Unlocking the meaning. All sizzle, no steak. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that paints a vivid picture with just a few words. All sizzle, no steak. This expression is a flavorful way to describe something or someone, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the layers behind this intriguing phrase. First off, let's break down the phrase itself. All sizzle, no steak, is an idiomatic expression used in English to describe a situation, product, or person that fails to meet expectations after creating a significant impression or hype. The sizzle refers to the enticing sound that steak makes when it's being cooked. It promises a delicious meal. However, if there's no steak, then all that anticipation leads to disappointment because the substance, or the actual quality and value, is missing. Understanding the origin of idiomatic expressions can often help in grasping their meanings more deeply. The phrase, all sizzle, no steak, comes from the American culinary world, where the sound of a steak sizzling on the grill can make mouths water in anticipation. However, if the steak is not there or if it's underwhelming once served, then the initial excitement was all for nothing. This culinary metaphor has evolved to describe anything that initially seems promising but ultimately fails to deliver on that promise. Now that you know what it means and where it comes from, let's talk about how to use all sizzle, no steak in your daily English conversations. This phrase is particularly useful when discussing topics like movies, products, projects, or even people who seem impressive at first but don't live up to the hype. For example, the marketing campaign for the new phone was incredible, but the product itself is all sizzle, no steak. He talks a good game about his business skills, but when it comes to actual results, it's all sizzle, no steak. While this phrase is colorful and can add flair to your language, it's important to use it with sensitivity and awareness of the context. Being dismissive or overly critical without fair justification can hurt feelings or relationships. Always consider the situation and the audience before using expressions that may convey strong criticism. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and usage of all sizzle, no steak. This phrase offers a creative way to express disappointment in something that fails to live up to its initial excitement or promise. Remember, English is full of such vivid expressions, and using them appropriately can add depth and color to your conversations. We hope this video has been informative and engaging. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.